If you're looking for white shoes with rubber soles at a great value, I really don't think you're going to find anything better than these. Now, I am super excited to try these on. They just come in a simple bag like this, no box that shoes usually come in, which is kind of nice because now I don't have to throw away a shoe box. And so now that I've got them out of the box, let's take a closer look at them. So as you can see right here, they have this canvas top as well as this rubber sole right here. And there actually is a little bit of difference in the coloring between the canvas top and the rubber sole right here. I'd say this is more like a pure white. This is more like an off-white, an eggshell, a cream white. I'm sure there's lots of different names for it. But it looks like it has pretty solid double stitching all the way around the shoe like this. It's got a 3D heel with a lot of extra support in it. I like that because I tend to step into my shoes and I sometimes knock down the heel with my heel. And so I'm looking forward to these lasting a long time with this extra reinforcement. Looks like there's more, and it looks like there's more than sufficient grip on the sole right here. Really cool pattern. I really like that. Nice soft toe here. Comes with these thick white laces and it has 4 holes on each side to lace up the shoes. And it also has a nice wide tongue down here. And I like this black accent stripe right here. You still got your white shoes, but with a little bit of flair. So no more delay. Let's try these on and see how well they fit. So I'm actually really excited to try these shoes on for the first time and see how well they fit because I have a foot that sometimes is a 10.5 and it sometimes is an 11. So I bought these in 11 and I'm going to see how much room they have in the toe. Would 10.5 been better for me? Again, it just depends on the shoe usually for me. And sometimes I'm in a 10.5, sometimes in an 11. So I really have to just guess sometimes on what shoe I'm going to buy. So let's try these on real quick. They're definitely pretty comfortable once I have them on like this. I'm not walking around in them yet, but I do like the feeling of them and how they wrap around my foot. Now, when I come down here, I can feel my toe. These are actually a little bit big on me. So I do wish I would have went with the 10.5. So if you have feet like mine that are kind of in between 10.5 or 11, or say whatever number you are, go for the lower one because these are a little bit big. If they were 10.5s, I think they would fit fine, but these are no problem how they are. So as you can see right now, I am wearing them with shorts and I have kind of a tall sock on right here. If I were gonna wear these out, I would definitely wear an ankle sock just to go down a little bit more style. But they do look good just on their own. You don't need to wear long pants with this, but let's see how they do look with long pants. And I think these look great with blue jeans. They definitely do a great job kind of contrasting against the color, but that black kind of accents them a little bit too against the blue jeans. I really like these like this. And you can see how it almost just perfectly fits the bottom of the pant line here. So it looks really good. And I'm really appreciating how these look with khakis because I feel like this cream top canvas right here fits really good with this khaki color right here. Absolutely loving it. Looking forward to wearing these out like this. Now let's do a little sound test of these shoes and see what they sound like while you're walking around. Now let's try our best to keep them really quiet. So after wearing these around today, what do I think of them? Well, I think they're going to be really good for any kind of casual event. You know, I could see going to some kind of get together. You could even take these out on a date. I think they would work great like that because they look nice and clean. I would not use them as running shoes. I would not use them for any kind of sporting or anything like that. This ankle's just too low and it's too soft around here to give you any kind of support. So I would not use them for sports. But if you had to run away from someone in them, I think these would do just fine to help you get away because they're nice and light. And I will say that they're a pretty comfortable shoe overall. The one thing that I did notice is that through this part right here, it was a little bit tight while I was walking around. That might be just something that will loosen up over time though, so maybe that'll be for another video. So first impressions overall, are they the best shoe on earth? No. Are they the best white shoe on earth? No. But are they a fantastic value for the shoe you're getting right here, for everything that's included, for how good it looks? Absolutely wonderful value. Really loving the shoe for that reason.